we're going to hear a song. Would like to hear it?
Hi. My name is Laura Hutapea, and I'm an exchange student and I come from Indonesia. So today I'll be singing a song from Indonesia, and like in Indonesia there's like more than 13,000 like tribes. So these songs come from one of the tribe, my tribe, called Batak tribe. So I'll be singing like a medley songs called Boru Pangguaran and Anakoki Dohamorao Dia. So these two songs like talk about, it's like a song sang by parents to their kids, like say that they really love their kids and they just want their kids to be a success person and all about their love their kids. So I hope you guys like this.
Nama
na umagariga Maroy hote awiranda tudorok torukan Mga luluing olung-olung na berpakodarian Asa-masa hati lekida sesatu tujuan Anak koki doha moraonian Nang sultari hutan lape karangan darah pola masa kau di sini Alay anak koki dan jadi hati tinggal si ando